Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install the Map My Fitness Workout by Under Armour app on your mobile phone. This app will help you in your fitness journey by tracking your workout activities. So, to download it, make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now, open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, search for Map My Fitness by Under Armour. As you can see, the app here, click on the app and click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet speed. As you can see, the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to open it and enjoy its features. Now, the app is ready to use. Use it for your fitness journey. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.